Hey, what's up, guys? Just out here chilling in the garage. Got done with a long day at work. Um, I don't know if you guys watched that Ford truck video I put up about the fans running all the time, but I got that thing fixed today finally. Um, got most of the parts for the bumper on the 2500 HD. Of course, I forgot my camera today, and I was just too busy to be doing it with my phone. So, unfortunately, you're not going to see the finished product of that, but it did fix it. The Ford, that is the expansion valve and the condenser. Yeah, charged it up. Everything's working good. Fans aren't running all the time. All that jazz. Um, I'm going to start a Patreon page. When we did the tools video the other day, the tool set, I was trying to figure out how I'm going to raffle it off. I'm going to raffle that off over on the Patreon page. If it does any good, I don't know. We'll see. Um, YouTube videos seem to be doing halfway decent, but I mean, not really what I'd like them to be. But hey, they're doing it. People are watching it, and I'm glad you guys are watching it. I appreciate every one of you that does watch it and like it and comment on it and subscribe to my channel. Um, but yeah, just working on a couple things this week. Um, I'm going to be out of town for the weekend, so I might do some videos of that. We're going down to Houston Woods, so I might try and get some video of the wildlife and the lake and stuff down there. Um, just trying to get a little weekend away with some friends and just take a little break for once. It's been hectic, because of holidays and birthdays and everything else that's going on in the world. So we're just going to kind of sneak out Friday after work and come back Sunday afternoon. I'll probably make a video Sunday afternoon. Probably going to be at a friend of mine's house bleeding out some brakes. I might make a video about that because I think his bleeders are broke off. So I'll show you guys a trick how to bleed brakes without the bleeder and get most of the air out of it. But we'll see how that goes. I don't know yet. I think that's going to be weather permitting. I think the weather's going to be good this weekend, but I'm not really sure. It's Ohio. It can change in a drop of a hat. So, but yeah, I want to try the Patreon thing. Try and do these YouTube short videos. I just found out you can do those. I posted one part of that when I went yesterday and fixed that alternator that somebody started on, couldn't finish. Um, but yeah, it's rolling. Got the shop going. Working hard. My body seems to be doing well. I'm on a diet. I think I've lost 12 pounds in 2 weeks, so I'm feeling better. My feet aren't hurting as bad. My hernia areas that have been repaired, they haven't seemed to be bothering me as bad either. So hopefully I can do a lot more stuff this year. I would have liked to have started doing this a couple years ago, but I just didn't get to that point. It's been rough on me with all those surgeries and stuff, so I don't want to get into all that crap. But anyway, yeah, I'm just tired. I'm going to sit here and watch some videos on YouTube of my favorite car guys like I always do. I love you guys. I hope you look at my stuff. I think some of them are, actually. I got some comments. I think that's about it for now. Yeah, I think that's about it. Um, Definitely going to try and do some, multiple person podcasts, on YouTube and on my podcast channel I'm on Anchor.fm. Check that out too. That's Jason's Garage Inc. Also, I started doing that before the YouTube videos. I think I started that in September or August. I don't remember, but got a lot of cool stuff on there too. So everything's going. We're just gonna let it rip. We're gonna get out there and fix some stuff. So hey, get out there and fix something. Let me know if you need any help. Peace.